And Mary said, My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord. And my spirit rejoices in God my Savior. Because he has looked upon the humiliation of his servant. Yes, from now onwards all generations will call me blessed. For the Almighty has done great things for me. Holy is his name. And his faithful love extends age after age to those who fear him. He has used the power of his arm, he has routed the arrogant of heart. He has pulled down princes from their thrones and raised high the lowly. He has filled the starving with good things, sent the rich away empty. He has come to the help of Israel his servant, mindful of his faithful love. According to the promise he made to our ancestors, of his mercy to Abraham and to his descendants forever. Mary stayed with her some 3 months and then went home.